Hi, I'm dear friends. This is VideoPad. And let's say you're doing your video in VideoPad, you're editing, and you have a lot of images. You already upload them into timeline and did something like a slideshow, but to be video it needs some audio to be added. You like the audio from another video. How can you edit to your one? Okay, let's go to this video. Let's edit to our project. For example, this one. This is our audio. Okay, so in order to remove this video and to left the audio only, we will drag and drop our video to our timeline, then click on audio part, do right click of our mouse and choose unlink from video. Now they're not connected and we can remove this video part, delete, and we have our audio here. Let us move it to the beginning of our slideshow and then do what you want, whether you want to add more images or if no, I will zoom in a little bit to be more visible. Let's slide to the very end of our slideshow and cut our audio, remove this part, and you can do usual changes to do fade in, fade out. I will choose few seconds before the ending of our video. I will cut our audio part and I will decrease the clip volume. Okay, and maybe one more time and decrease more. Okay, let's see now. So it's fade out. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.